Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add background in CapCut. Keep watching the video till the end. You can easily add background to a video or photo using a green screen or without using a green screen as well. Here I'm gonna show you how you can add a background in CapCut without using green screen. For that, go ahead and open up your CapCut application. Tap on New Project. Go to your camera roll and select a video or image as replacement background. Once you choose the background, tap on Add at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now all you need to do is click on Add Overlay option. Go and select any picture or video with regular background or photo from your camera roll. Once you do that, tap on Add button at the bottom right corner of the page. Adjust the picture size by zooming in or zooming out the photo. Once you're done, tap on Remove Background option. This is how you can add background in CapCut quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.